Hi friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how to convert hexadecimal number to decimal. You already know, a number is represented in decimal using digits 0 to 9. While hexadecimal can be represented using digits 0 to 9 and A to F. So here, you can see the question. So, we cannot convert the hexadecimal number directly into decimal. First, we need to convert the hexadecimal to binary. Then secondly, we need to convert binary to decimal. Kindly write down the number B9. Here, we can write B as 11. As we already know, we use 4 bits for representing hexadecimal in number system conversion table. We can write 11 as 1, 0, 1, 1. And 9 as 1, 0, 0, 1. So, required binary will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Move to the second part, write down the binary number as it is. So here, I will change this binary number into decimal. Kindly multiply 1 by 2 to the power of 0, multiply 0 by 2 to the power of 1, multiply 0 by 2 to the power of 2, multiply 1 by 2 to the power of 3, multiply 1 by 2 to the power of 4, multiply 1 by 2 to the power of 5, multiply 0 by 2 to the power of 6, multiply 1 by 2 to the power of 7. After multiplying, kindly add the numbers. So, 185 will be final decimal number. I hope that you have understood this concept. Please share this video and subscribe.